So let me ask you a question. How would you like to make money online by simply watching videos using your smartphone or using your computer? This is very easy for new beginners, and you can get paid daily and you don't need any experience to do this. So take a look at how much money you can actually earn from today's method. If you watch 15 videos online, you can earn $30. When you watch 45 videos, you can earn $90. And if you watch 100 videos per day, you can easily make $200. And of course, you can just repeat this over and over again. And the best thing about this method today is that it's 100% free. You don't have to pay any money and you don't need any credit card to do this. And you can start making money online by watching videos from anywhere in the world because this is available worldwide. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'll share with you a few bonus tips. Okay, so bonus tip number 1. I'll show you how to earn extra $300 up to $500 quickly, and you can withdraw your cash within 24 hours. And bonus tip number 2. I'll show you how to build multiple streams of passive income from just one app and how you can get bonus money up to $100 for free. And the final tip, I'm gonna show you how you can earn 3 times more money compared to other people without doing extra work yourself. This is my new secret method, and I have never shared before with any other people. So with that being said, make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end. Don't skip any part, and I'll show you how you can claim your first $100 online after you've finished watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now I want you to take a look at this video where you can earn $2 by watching the video. And on top of that, you can watch other videos on this brand new website on your phone or in your computer. First off, I want you to go ahead and go to gg2u.org. This is where you can make money by taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos. Now in this video, we're gonna focus on watching videos because this is very simple, very easy, and anyone can do this. The best thing about this website is that you can get $1 for free just by signing up. So all you have to do is just go ahead and put in your first name, your email address, your username, and your password. For the countries section, when you click on down arrow, you can see that they're basically accepting people from anywhere in the world. So if you're coming from the US, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, India, or Pakistan, it doesn't matter. You can still make money online because this is a worldwide opportunity. Once you're done filling in the details, just click on this right here and click on sign up for GG2U, and this is where you can get $1 for free by signing up for a free account. The reason why I love this so much is because you can get paid every single day on your PayPal, or you can also receive free gift cards. So if you're coming from different parts of the world, there are other methods that you can receive your money. In fact, comment down below and let me know what type of payment method you prefer in your country. So this website offers a lot of opportunities for you to watch different videos online and make money. If you take a look at here, they offer a very high rate of 65 to 85% compared to other websites where they just offer you 40 to 60%. Once you finish signing up on this website, you can see their welcome page, and you can see that they are a very high paying source for survey routers and offer wall offers where you can watch videos as well, and they pay you up to 65 to 85% payout rates. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 coins. Now on this website, they're gonna pay your coins, and for every 100 coins, you can exchange them to actual money. And on top of that, once you reach $7, you can begin to cash out your money in your PayPal account, or you can also receive gift cards as well. So when you scroll down below, you can just go ahead and click on this "Click to continue" right here. After that, you can see this page right here where it says, "To get started earning, here are some things that are very easy to do." So as you can see here for this offer, they will give you this amount of coins. Now when you scroll down below, you can see more of these offers that you can do on this website. And of course, you can do all of these offers and build on multiple streams of income, and you can make a lot of money online. But again, we're gonna focus on watching videos. So if you want to make money by watching videos just like this, make sure you keep watching and follow my steps on this video. Right now, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and you can see this note which says, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. So if you want to make extra money, make sure you complete these offers as soon as possible. Now I want you to click on this "I'm done with this" page. Then you're gonna come on to your account. As you can see here, this is my dashboard, and you can see that they just give me $1 after I sign up for a free account. And once I get $7, I can begin to cash out my money. So remember, you will need to make $7 before you can cash out your earnings. When I scroll down, you can see there are many companies and many other offers which I can do. For example, OfferToro, AdGate Media, Peanut Labs, and AdGem. These are all very famous companies that will give you special offers. For example, surveys, downloading apps, or even watching videos. You can click on any of these companies and do the offers to make money online. Right now, I'm gonna show you one of the examples. So if you click on AdSend Media, you're gonna come on to this page where you can do other different offers to earn money online. You can do surveys, free trials, download mobile apps to earn money as well. Now if you want to make money by watching videos, you can just go ahead and click on this video button right here. You will then come over to this page where it says autoplay videos, and you can see this. For every 200 video points that you earn, you're gonna receive silver tokens, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. So for every single video, you earn about $1 to $3. So on average, you can earn about $2 per video. Now when you scroll down below, you can see earn video points by completing any of the offers below. You can watch videos about food, you can watch some viral videos, or you can watch some chillax videos to start earning money online. For example, when you scroll down below, you can see there are so many videos that you can watch that you can make money online. And when you click on load more offers, you can even see that there are more videos that you can watch to make money online. So real quick, I want to show one of the examples right now. If you click on this orange button right here, you're gonna come to this page right here, and this is where you can start watching videos and make money online. And by watching videos, you can earn around $1 to $2 per video, and this is a very good opportunity. Right now, I'll show you a few bonus tips that can help you make more money online. So I'm gonna click on this gear settings right here, and I want you to go ahead and click on the lowest setting, which is 240p. The reason why I want you to select the lowest setting is because if you are watching on your phone or on your computer, the best thing to do to make the maximum amount of money is to go ahead and click on multiple videos and multiple channels and watch them at the same time. Because that can help triple or even 5 times your money. And that's gonna consume a lot of your internet speed. So it's a very good choice for you to choose on for the lowest setting. Now when you look at the right side of this page, you can choose and watch other videos. And this is where you can earn bonus money for $2 or $3 per video. Make sure you watch all of the videos, all the way until the end, so you can actually receive the point and convert the point into actual money. Okay, I want to give you another bonus tip. When you click on this arrow button right here, you can view their other videos and you can watch. For example, this one right here, and there's more over here. This is video 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For every single video you watch, you can earn more money online. And of course, you can watch this on your phone. You can watch them on your iPhone and you can watch them on your Android phone. Now comment down below and let me know what type of phone you are using to watch this video, because you can do this on your phone or on your computer for absolutely free. Now once you're finished watching the videos, you can go ahead and click on the next button right here, and you can see that there are 9 bonus videos that you can watch. So just keep on watching your videos over and over again, and you can make a lot of money online. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.